Hey there! Ever found yourself lost in your Xiaomi phone settings in a language you don't understand? No worries, I've got you covered. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to change the language on your Xiaomi device. So, without wasting any time, let's dive right into the process. Firstly, grab your Xiaomi phone and open the Settings app. Then, scroll down and locate Additional Settings. After that, tap on Languages and Input. Now, tap on Languages. Here, you will see a list of available languages. Find the language you want by scrolling or using the search feature. Tap on your chosen language. And just like that, your phone's language is changed. Easy, right? That's all there is to it, folks. If this video helped you, don't forget to smash that like button. Interested in more tips and tricks for your Xiaomi phone? Hit that subscribe button because I've got plenty more coming your way. Thanks a bunch for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care!